Hey, this is Russell with Social Good Software. I wanted to show you how to do a hard refresh on your browser. We'll be going over this refresh option on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. And if you are using Linux, just follow the instructions on the Windows option, as it is the same control scheme for all browsers. So first off, why do we do a hard refresh? When you access a website, the data retrieved is saved on your computer, known as browser cache. The browser does this because the website can reload faster, as many of the assets are downloaded locally rather than waiting to download it again over the network. While that does have positives, the downside is if the website updates, some browsers are unable to load the correct information because it gets used to loading the cached version, which is the path of least resistance. It's a lot like reaching into the cupboard to grab some donuts rather than taking the time to make a well-balanced meal. But like our eating habits, we can do a hard refresh on the browser so it is reminded to get out of its rut of loading the same outdated version of a website and load the new, improved, updated version instead. So let's take a look at the hard refresh process on a Mac. For Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, the process is the same for all three browsers. Press Command, Shift, and R or press the Shift and Reload button. For Safari on a Mac, the control scheme is a little different. So press Command, Option, and R to hard refresh the page. Now for Windows and Linux, the control scheme is slightly different because of the different keyboard controls. Press Ctrl and F5 or Control and the refresh button in the browser. Control-Shift-R also does the same. Now let's take a look at iOS devices. They do not have keystrokes, but rather you need to go into App Settings to do any changes to browser cache and website storage. For most browsers, it is built into the iOS to automatically refresh applications with a force quit, which is viewing all open applications and swiping up to close. But to completely remove all website data, go to your Settings app and select Safari Settings. You can delete all website data by tapping on this option, but for specific websites, go to Advanced, then Website Data, and select from the list of websites which data to delete by swiping right on the website. And finally, Android devices differ on which browser you use, but most are built around Chrome. Since I don't have an Android device, I am using BlueStacks for Windows in this example. However, the operation is the same. Go to the Chrome settings, scroll down to Site Settings, and then scroll down to Data Stored. Select the website data to remove from the phone by tapping on the website and clicking Clear and Reset. If you wanted to get rid of all the website data, go to the bottom and press Clear All Data. Alright, so to recap, we went through each operating system and a few select browsers to complete a hard refresh operation. When Social Good Software releases updates, or if you just want to refresh a website from scratch, you now have a great tool under your belt to ensure that the newest and most accurate version of a website or a service is in use. This helps with security, as well as keeping up on all the new features we have to offer. And as always, if you have any other questions or concerns in operating or implementing Social Good Software for your organization, please feel free to contact us at socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. And until next time, thanks for watching.